Join me as I take on the challenge of transforming my study routine using expert tips for academic success. Let's see how I can boost my grades. Effective study techniques are crucial for academic success. You see, a good study routine can make all the difference between excel your exam or struggle to keep up. It's not just about putting in the hour, but also about using the right strategy to minimize your learning. Many students face common challenges that hinder their academic progress. Distraction are major obstacle. Social media, video, game, and even friends can easily sidetrack you from your goal. Poor time management is another hindrance without a schedule. It's easy to fall behind and feel overwhelmed. Additionally, a lack of motivation can be a significant barrier. When you are not inspired, it's hard to muster the energy to study. And let's not forget about procrastination. Putting off the task until the last minute can lead to a vicious cycle of stress and poor performance. So, what can you do to overcome this challenge? Experts recommend techniques like Pomodoro techniques, which involve studying in focused 20-minute increment, followed by a 5-minute break. Active recall is another powerful strategy. It involves actively recalling information from memory rather than simplify rereading it. Spaced repetition is another highly effective. It involves reviewing material at increasingly longer intervals to help solidify it in your long-term memory. One of the most impactful study strategy I have found is using a combination of active recalling and spaced repetition. I have personally seen the benefit of this approach. I was struggling to remember the key concepts in my history class, but after implementing these techniques, my grade improved academically and grammatically. The key is to be consistent and patient as it takes time to see the results. What's more, the strategy can be applied to any subject, making it a versatile tool for academic success. In conclusion, by incorporating this expert tip into your study routine, hope you can significantly boost your academic performance. It's all about finding the right strategy that works for you and being consistent in your efforts. If you have found these tips helpful, please subscribe and comment below with your favorite study tips. I have loved to hear from you. Don't forget to watch my next video on productivity hacks to take your academic game to the next level.